Okay, now that we've learned how to do IQR, we're going to interpret this dot plot. You had dot plots in 5th grade, so you should be familiar. The first thing I want to do is put my numbers in order from least to greatest. We always want to do that first whenever we're interpreting a graph, because you'll need it for the median, for the mode, for the range, and IQR. So might as well just do it right from the beginning. So let's go ahead. We have 0, 0. See, I'm getting these from here. 1, 1, 1. Then I have 5 2s. 3 3s. And 2 4s. Okay, so to get the mean, I need to add these numbers up. When I add them, it equals 30. And then I need to divide by how many numbers that I have. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now, somebody asked yesterday, do I count the 0? And yes, you do, because in this case, this looks like, let's say in my class, I took a poll and I asked each student how many brothers and sisters they had. Well, there was 2 people in my class who had no brothers and sisters, but they still represent a person who was in the survey. So we do count these, because even though 0 has no value, in this case, our value is the 2 people that are being represented here. So we take 30 and divide it by 15, and that gives us 2. So our mean is 2. Our average is 2. And if we go and find our middle, I'm just going to zoom in just a little bit. If we get our middle, our median is also 2. Our mode is the most, and we can tell by our graph that 2 has the most represented. Our range would be 4 to 0. So 4 subtract 0 equals 4, and that will give us our range. And IQR, if you remember from IQR, we're going to take our median, which this was our median. And an easy way to do this is just to cover up this half. Now, let's find the median of this set of numbers. You have to be careful with your fingers if you do it this way and not cross it off. I'm going to change that so you can tell it's a 1. So this is our lower quartile. And then we're going to do this half now. This is our upper quartile. So 3 subtract 1 equals 2, which gives us our IQR. And that is how you interpret a dot plot.